Namaste everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to understand the streamline lead management using Pabbly. This is the Pabbly tool. This we are using for the automation, and we are using the lead management system like Zoho CRM. For sending WhatsApp messages, we are using WATI system. This is a powerful combination of help us to capture the lead effortlessly and managing efficiently. Let's get started. Uh, think about the traditional process. Each time lead filling the form, someone has to manually enter those details in the database and tag the leads and send welcome messages to the customers and setting follow ups and all the repetitive tasks, time and creative opportunity for mistakes. But with our automation, this handled instantly and seamlessly. First, we are using Pabbly automatically store all information in the Zoho CRM. This integration that every lead is logged without any manual entry and allowing for a real-time data management and tracking. Yeah, let's start it. This is the our website. We are running ads in the Facebook and Google ads, and that we are getting the traffic to our website, and after that they will fill the form and they choose the webinar date. Like we are running every Sunday. That's why there are two options like this Sunday or next Sunday. Based on that, we have created this Pabbly workflow. Whenever they fill the form, we will got those details here. You can check it. Like, this is our mobile number and customer details and the customer email, and which webinar is joining. You can check it. After that, we are doing the test format, because sometimes they will keep spaces and they will enter the data in the mobile in this mobile number place. After that, we are formatting and we are searching in the data in the Google Sheet, because sometimes the duplicate data will be there. For that case, we are searching in the data in the Google Sheet for eliminating the multiple triggers. Sometimes issues will come based on the platform side issues. That's why we have set up this lookup spreadsheet. After that, we are doing the time formatting because we need to use for the delay. You can check it. I'm opening this module. Whatever response we come from the first step, we are using those details in here. After that, we are adding customer details in this Google Sheet for searching those data in this lookup spreadsheet. After that, we are doing the filter condition, because if the data is not available in this Google Sheet, we will allow to continue in this flow. After that, we are checking the options based on the customer selections. We are splitting those data for creating Zoom meeting ID and which date they have selected and which webinar they have chosen. After that, we are separating the time and date, like webinar date, because we need to pass these parameters in the WhatsApp template. That's why we are passing this is the Google Sheet which we are using for the dynamic template mappings. And after that, I'm using a format for current date, because for we need to put the delays. And after that, based on the webinar dates, after that we are sending immediately WATI message for the customer: thank you for registering a webinar. This is your Zoom link. You can join by using this meeting link. And yeah, after that, we have added adding that participant in the Zoom, and we are creating a link for that particular lead, because we are sending those links in the whenever they before joining the Zoom meeting link. We are storing that those details in the Zoho CRM. All the details, like whatever he filled in the form, we are updating those details in the Zoho CRM. And after that, we are getting current data, and based on the we are converting the IST thing, and after that we are doing spreadsheet formula for time calculation based on our webinar dates, and we are segregated this because we have particular requirement. Based on that we decided, because whenever the customer fill the form, we want to send those messages in the immediately of the next day in the morning 8 a.m. and after that evening. For that we have designed this system. Like that it will goes the nurturing the lead for 2 days. That's why if customer is booked on 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., we are sending for him at the particular tomorrow morning 8:30 a.m., and after that we are sending that after that we are sending one more in the evening. That will be the one message. And after that we are whenever the customer lead is fill the form at 5 p.m. to 12 a.m., we are sending second message at next day 4:30 p.m. based on the timings. Like after that if somebody booked in 12 a.m. between to 9 a.m., we are sending him a 7:30 p.m. in the next day. Because after nurturing this, we have one more flow. It will continuation will be done in this flow. Thank you.